How Chinese cars are quietly destroying Tesla's empire. For nearly a decade, Tesla looked unstoppable. It wasn't just the biggest electric car company in the world, it was the symbol of the future itself. But while Tesla dominated headlines with futuristic promises and billionaire drama, Chinese automakers were quietly building something terrifying behind the scenes. Companies like BYD, NIO, XPeng, and Geely focused on cheaper prices, faster production, stronger batteries, and technology designed for real-world buyers. Now the results are becoming impossible to ignore. Tesla sales are slowing in key markets while Chinese EV brands are exploding globally. The most shocking part is that this may only be the beginning of an even bigger shift in the global car industry. Let's watch. 1. Chinese EV companies are outselling Tesla in major markets. The biggest shock to the automotive world is simple. Chinese electric vehicle companies are now beating Tesla in several important regions. For years, Tesla dominated EV sales almost everywhere it entered. But in 2025 and early 2026, that dominance started cracking. BYD officially surpassed Tesla in total EV and plug-in hybrid sales globally, delivering millions more vehicles than Tesla. Even in the fully electric category alone, BYD closed the gap dramatically. Meanwhile, Tesla's sales dropped sharply across Europe while Chinese brands expanded rapidly. In countries like Brazil, Thailand, Mexico, Australia, and parts of Europe, Chinese EVs are suddenly everywhere. Buyers who once dreamed of owning a Tesla are increasingly choosing cheaper alternatives packed with similar technology and features. Tesla's biggest problem is that Chinese automakers learned from Tesla's success. They copied what worked, improved manufacturing speed, lowered prices, and expanded into almost every vehicle category imaginable. While Tesla still relies heavily on the Model 3 and Model Y, Chinese brands now offer dozens of EV models ranging from tiny city cars to luxury SUVs and performance supercars. The shift is happening much faster than analysts predicted. Only a few years ago, Western consumers viewed Chinese cars as cheap and low quality. Today, many reviewers openly admit some Chinese EVs are just as good as or even better than Tesla in certain areas. 2. BYD's battery technology became a nightmare for Tesla. Tesla once held a huge advantage in battery technology, but Chinese companies have rapidly caught up, especially BYD. What makes BYD so dangerous is that it originally started as a battery manufacturer before becoming a car company. That experience gave them a massive advantage in the most important part of any electric vehicle. BYD's Blade battery changed the EV industry because it focused on the things average consumers actually care about most: safety, reliability, durability, and lower costs. Unlike many traditional lithium-ion batteries, BYD's lithium iron phosphate batteries are less likely to catch fire, last longer, and are cheaper to produce. The truly shocking part is that even Tesla started using Chinese-made LFP battery technology in some of its own vehicles. That means Tesla, once seen as the global battery leader, is now relying partly on the same technology developed by Chinese competitors. Chinese battery companies like KTL also became global giants, supplying batteries to automakers worldwide. In many ways, China now controls the heart of the electric vehicle industry itself. Meanwhile, BYD continues pushing innovation forward with ultra-fast charging systems capable of adding huge amounts of range in minutes. Tesla's once revolutionary charging advantage no longer looks untouchable. The battle is no longer about who invented the modern EV first. It is now about who can build the best batteries at the lowest cost, and China may currently lead that race. 3. Chinese cars are winning because they're much cheaper. One of Tesla's biggest weaknesses is price. Electric vehicles remain expensive for many buyers, especially during periods of inflation and economic uncertainty. Chinese automakers recognized this problem and attacked it aggressively. Companies like BYD, XPeng, and NIO produce vehicles that often cost thousands less than Tesla models while still offering modern interiors, advanced driver assistance systems, strong driving range, and premium features. For many buyers, that difference matters more than brand prestige. Take vehicles like the BYD Dolphin or Auto 3. These cars are dramatically cheaper than many Western EV competitors, but still include large touchscreens, modern safety technology, impressive range, and attractive styling. Consumers increasingly realize they are not sacrificing much by choosing Chinese alternatives. Chinese companies can keep prices lower, partly because of vertical integration. Many of them manufacture batteries, chips, motors, and software internally instead of relying on expensive suppliers. Tesla once dominated because it offered technology competitors could not match. Now, Chinese brands offer similar technology at lower prices, and that is an incredibly dangerous situation for Tesla. In several markets, Tesla has already been forced into repeated price cuts just to remain competitive. But constant price reductions hurt profit margins and create pressure from investors. Meanwhile, Chinese automakers continue expanding production while maintaining aggressive pricing strategies. 4. Tesla's brand image is starting to crack. For years, owning a Tesla felt futuristic, exclusive, and almost like joining a tech revolution. The company built its reputation on innovation, acceleration, and being ahead of every traditional automaker. However, that image has become more complicated in recent years. Some buyers now see Tesla as less special because its cars have become extremely common on roads worldwide. Others point to quality control concerns, polarizing design decisions, and ongoing controversies surrounding Elon Musk that affect public perception. At the same time, Chinese automakers have quietly strengthened their branding. Companies like NIO built premium showroom experiences and luxury-focused customer service, while XPeng invested heavily in smart software and autonomous driving systems. BYD focused on reliability, affordability, and mass-market appeal. Tesla also faces an aging lineup as the Model S and Model X lose their early novelty, while competitors release new models at a much faster pace. As a result, Tesla no longer dominates the EV conversation the way it once did. 5. China controls huge parts of the EV supply chain. Perhaps the most shocking advantage Chinese EV companies hold is something most consumers never see directly: the supply chain. Over the past 2 decades, China has built deep control over key battery materials, refining capacity, and large-scale EV manufacturing infrastructure. Today, a significant portion of the global electric vehicle supply chain runs through China in one way or another. Chinese companies dominate battery production and processing of critical materials like lithium, cobalt, graphite, and rare earth elements essential for EVs. This gives them massive leverage in cost, speed, and availability. The electric vehicle revolution was supposed to belong entirely to Tesla, but the industry is changing faster than anyone expected. Chinese automakers quietly studied Tesla's strengths, mastered battery production, scaled manufacturing, and attacked the market with cheaper, highly competitive vehicles. Now, companies like BYD, NIO, and XPeng are becoming serious global threats. What makes this shift so shocking is that it happened almost silently, while much of the world remained focused on Tesla headlines and Elon Musk controversies. Whether people love or hate electric cars, one thing is becoming clear: China is no longer trying to catch up to the future of transportation. In many ways, it may already be leading it. Let us know in the comments what you think about how Chinese cars are quietly destroying Tesla's empire, and don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.